In today's world, cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's strategic, it's regulatory, and honestly, it's hands-on. Whether you're a student, IT professional, auditor, or, an aspiring cybersecurity expert, this masterclass is designed to take you from foundational knowledge to advanced real-world practice. You'll learn cybersecurity fundamentals, network, OS, and application security, governance, risk, and compliance essentials, global regulations like NYDFS, GDPR, and DORA, frameworks including NIST, ISO, and FFIEC, zero trust implementation, AI security and emerging threats, and, an introduction to penetration testing. And this isn't just theory. You'll complete guided hands-on labs across major cybersecurity domains, giving you practical, job-ready skills you can apply immediately. Hey, join us on April 4th, 2026 at 10 in the morning Central Standard Time for this intensive virtual masterclass. Seats are filling up fast, and a 25% discount is available for a limited time. Secure your seat today. Just visit CelsusBit.com or, click the link in the description to register. CelsusBit, empowering the next generation of cybersecurity leaders.